We're here today at Nipissing University in beautiful North Bay, Ontario. It's a very important day for us. We are about to install the 5th Chancellor of our university, Dr. Scott Russell. Scott, welcome to Nipissing University.
Kevin, thank you so much. It's an honor to be here. It's a beautiful campus on a beautiful day, and what this university stands for are beautiful things. I mean, it's so progressive, it's so inclusive, and I just couldn't be happier and more proud to be representing this university going forward. It's a real honor.
Well, as people understand, Chancellor is a titular role in service of the university to confer degrees and to represent the university regionally, nationally, and internationally. Let's talk about what you bring to the role of Chancellor. Now, you've had a long and storied career as an internationally recognized broadcaster. Over 40 years, you've been in the living rooms of all Canadians and beyond, and in my mind, the best Olympic broadcaster that has ever graced our screens. Tell us, Scott, what this means to you and what you'll bring to this role at Nipissing.
It means a great deal to me, and I think what I'm most interested in about this university and the role I'm about to assume is that this is about creating the leaders of our communities going forward, and Nipissing and universities in general have a huge part to play in the creation of those people who are going to contribute to their communities over time. I mean, critical thinking is important at any university, but also something that is to be welcomed at a university like Nipissing is creative thinking. How do we make our communities better? And I think that I've always valued that. I always valued my post-secondary education at Western University in London, and I think I can communicate that not only to the students of Nipissing, but to communities around Canada and maybe around the world, that this is a place where leaders are going to come from. I think that's tremendously important in this day and age.
So I'm very pleased to say on behalf of Nipissing University that in our 5th Chancellor, Dr. Scott Russell, our institution is in very good hands. Thank you, Scott.
Thank you, Kevin. It's great to be here.